This conference will now be recorded.
Well, good morning, everybody. Delighted that you've chosen to start your week and start your Monday with the KV Core lead generation class. And let me say that I think of all the things that we could be teaching right now in terms of electronic lead generation, this class may be the most important, because today I'm going to share with you how to promote a virtual open house using a squeeze page. And the beautiful thing about virtual open houses is that you can do them 7 days a week. Open houses aren't just for weekends anymore, because so many people are home and on their computers all day. And even if they're, quote, working, they're looking for diversions. You can provide that for them with these virtual open houses. So let's begin by going to HAR and identifying the ML number of a property that you would like to feature. Now, keep in mind, even though people are going to be participating virtually, you are going to be on site in the flesh live. And so this needs to be a property that the homeowners are okay with you being there, perhaps one of your listings. I would also say that this is a perfect opportunity to do a builder spec home, because vacant homes are actually going to be more accessible than occupied homes right now. The reason I stress that, even though we're talking about virtual tours, is we want to get people interested to actually go and look at this home. And we're just shooting ourselves in the foot if we get them all excited about going to see a home and then the sellers are not allowing showings. So if you can identify one of your listings or a listing in your neighborhood or a builder listing that is permitting showings, that's going to be ideal. So I'm going to go ahead and find me a home here. Let's go to Pearland, just because we haven't gone to Pearland in a while. You go anywhere you want. Again, be doing this on your computer. And I want to find some new construction. So I'm going to come in here and see if there is a year built filter. Been a while since I searched it on this screen. Here we go, year built minimum, all the way back to 1900. I'm going to go for 2020. How about that? And then I'm going to search. Here we go. See if there's any new construction in Pearland. Well, how about that one right there? 3718 Bonham Hills. So I'll go ahead and copy that MLS number. So I'll pause for a count of 3, let you guys catch up. Perhaps you haven't found yours yet, but what you need is the ML number. Okay. So now let's go back to KV Core. I'm going to make sure that you guys are seeing my screen. Yep, there you are. Okay, so we're going to go into lead engine over on your left side navigation window. We're going to create a squeeze page to invite and promote people to this virtual open house. So go ahead and select single property. Among your choices there, multi, single, seller, and market report. We want single property. Source, we're going to be promoting this on Facebook, so let's put that there. Hashtag, I'm just going to put, this is my virtual open house Pearland. How about that? And then the listing, oops, I always forget to do that. Open house Pearland, and then you select the green bar. Those of y'all who've seen me make that mistake all the time, my apologies. Okay, the listing ID, we copied it earlier. We're going to paste it in there. We identify how many property views before we're going to ask them to register. Normally I say go for more than 2, but because what we're attempting to do with this promotion is just to get people to register so that we can remind them when we're actually doing the tour. I think 2 is perfectly fine. So let's come down here and generate the link, and then come over to the right of direct link and click where it says copy to clipboard. Okay, so far so good. Let me just check the chat, make sure everybody's good before we go to the next step. Good morning, good morning, good morning. 2 contracts, Carla, well done, and Melba, a closing last week. You guys are rocking it. I love it. Okay, so let's go back now to our Facebook page. We're going to create a post. So just simply click in there and do a paste from that link that you created earlier. Now, what we need to do is write some text about what we're promoting. So I'm going to say virtual open house tour this home from the comfort and safety of your own home. Join me for a live open house tour. And then remember, we can do this 7 days a week. So I'm going to say Tuesday. What is the date today? Today is the 20th. So I'm going to say April 21st at 2 p.m. Again, pick a date and time that works for you. You will want to have scheduled this in advance. See pics below, and be sure to register for the open house. I'll send you a text reminder 15 minutes before we begin. How about that? Okay, something pretty straightforward. Does it look good? Virtual open house, tour this home from the comfort and safety of your own home. Join me for a live open house tour Tuesday, April 21st at 2 p.m. See pics below and be sure to register for the open house. I'll send you a text reminder 15 minutes before we begin. If that time doesn't work for you, I'm happy to schedule a private showing, private virtual tour, or in-person showing. The home is vacant, is new and vacant, so we can see it anytime. Okay, how about that? And then I am going to put my contact in here. Call me. Frank, 713-702-6978. Okay, there we go. That's a lot of info. Come down here and this is actually going to go on our Abby page. I don't want to freak out some of our agents. Test message for class. There we go. All right, and post. Okay, now it says that we could create an event for free, and actually that would be a great idea, but I'm not going to do it right now. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what I wanted to show you today. I'm going to go back and check the chat. Any questions about what I just shared with you about the mechanics of it or the strategy of doing virtual open houses? Jennifer says, if I'm doing more than one in the same city, can I use the same number for all of them, or do I need a unique hashtag? Jennifer, that really depends on how you're wanting to sort. You could do all of your virtual open house prospects under one hashtag, hashtag virtual open houses. It probably makes more sense to do a unique identifier for each one, because someone interested in a Pearland new construction may not be interested in a Clear Lake resale. So I would put some unique identifier. It could actually be the house number or something like that. Keep in mind, on a KV Core hashtag, you can't lead with a number. It can't be hashtag 1003 or something like that. It has to be a word or letter first. Okay, Nina, I got behind. Will there be a video of this? Yes, we are absolutely recording, and within a couple hours, this will be on our YouTube channel. Look for virtual open house promotion. Okay, other questions? Gosh, 38 on the class today. That's absolutely fantastic. A bunch of y'all came in a little bit late, but don't worry, I will post this for all to see. I'm going to pause. I'll go ahead and turn off recording.